am Dr. Friedrich Messerstein, and today I am going to be teaching you about similar figures. So, without further ado, let us get started by me explaining to you what similar figures are. A similar figure is when there is one shape, like this. Of course, it won't be the best sketch because I am doing this one-handed. And then there is another that is way bigger. Just pretend that they are the exact same shape. You see? So today, I'm going to be giving you 6 examples of a similar figure. Let us start with a simple one. This is Billy, the paper man. And now, I'm going to turn one Billy into 2 Billies by just using scissors. So now, with a bit of cutting, one piece of Billy cut off. Please excuse this little point up here. I'm not being too particular. But you get the point now, do you not? Well, here's a second example if you don't. As a well-accomplished scientist, I have earned a lot of money. These are all $100 bills. So for this one, let us just take one. $100 right here. And now, let us go to Dr. Friedrich Messerstein's bed. This is where Dr. Messerstein sleeps sometimes, because I am human and I get very tired too. So, right here, you can see, you probably cannot see, so let me take it out of here. Part of my bed was covering my face, but this is a blanket, and I have found a perfect blanket to represent the same shape as a $100 bill. Now that we have my blanket laid out almost perfectly, let me get this perfect. We have this $100 bill. It is about the same shape, but different size than a $100 bill. This is a very comfy blanket. Honestly, I think I can fall asleep right now. No, we must get back to work. Now that we have finished my blanket example, get back in there, buddy. We are now moving on to another example. Now, here we are in Messerstein's kitchen, where I make my num-nums. So, as you can see, we are making a very good German delicacy. Veggie straws. Hot, boiling veggie straws. But that is going besides the point. In here, we have the next example. Not by the waffles, not by the corn dogs or the burgers. Oh, here it is, right on top of the Uncrustables, a bar of soap. Now that we are done, now that we have got the bar of soap, I must remove the phone case. So, yeah, we're going to do that. But I must feed Bacon Strudel my dog first. Bacon Strudel, why are you barking during Daddy's work? Come on, let me feed you. Here we go. I must feed my dog so that he stops barking. There we go. Now come on, Bacon Strudel, come get your foodums. Now here we are, back in Dr. Friedrich Messerstein's office. We have my bar of soap. It smells like pine trees. And then we have the phone case. My phone was currently on while I was filming. As you can see, they are the same shape, yet different sizes. They even have the little curved edges of the exact same. So, yes. Now, I'm going to put my phone case back on my phone, and then I have got another example. Now, here we are in Dr. Friedrich Messerstein's bathroom. And now we have the next example of similar figures. Oh, there it is, exactly where I put it. I have got my pizza box. Here we are, back in Friedrich Messerstein's office. Right here, we have my pizza box. But what is inside of this pizza box, you might be asking? But I will tell you. Inside of this pizza box, we have another pizza box. So as you can see, they are both the exact same shape, yet different sizes. This is a box from Blaze Pizza, not sponsored. And this is a box from Giannino's Pizza, not sponsored. As you can see, of course, they were basically the exact same shape, yet different sizes, which is why it is another example of similar figures. Now we have another example. Now, Dr. Friedrich Messerstein loves his Legos. So I have an entire bin of Legos. And inside of that is a Lego brick that will work for our next example. And I know you might be asking, Dr. Friedrich Messerstein, why is your mustache on top of your nose? The mustache has a mind of its own. I cannot control it. But right here in this Lego bin, we've got this dark yellow Lego piece. Now we must go outside for the next example. First, we must put on mine shoes. Boom. Alrighty, let us go outside. Now here we are in the great outdoors, where I can get the fresh air. But it is snowing, so it is pretty chilly out here. So we are going to make this quick. As you can see, we still have the Lego brick. Oh, and there it is. Right here, we have mine cinder block. And as you can see, they are both the same shape, yet different sizes. So when I bring this Lego brick up close to the cinder block, they look same shape and same size. But in reality, cinder block is about 100 times bigger than the Lego brick is. Now, get out of your brick. Oh, jeez. Oh, goodness gracious. I should not have done that. But let us go back inside for the final example. Here we are, back in the great indoors. But you might be asking, Dr. Messerstein, why are you still wearing your Crocs? Well, that is because the final example is also outside. So let us go to the kitchen for a second. Oh, I just realized I do not keep it in the kitchen. I keep it in my office.
And it's definitely not because my mom is talking in the kitchen.
Now, let us grab the Gushers. The best childhood snack of all time. Gushers. Now, time to open this. Oh, yes. I love the smell. Well, here we have a Gusher. And as you can see, it may look like a circle, but in reality, it is an octagon. We're not going to be using that for go. We've got like 5 more in the bag. Here we are, back outside the great yet chilly outdoors with our Gusher. Sorry, I had a brain fart. Now, I must be careful not to step on this ice. It is very slippery. Now we must go both ways so that we do not turn into a Messerstein pancake. None over here, none over here. Now we are going across the street. All right. Here we are. Oh, look at this dirty snow. Okay, here we are at one stop sign. See? Stop. And as you can see, it is an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. And as you can see, I've got an 8-sided Gusher right here. And as you can see, it is the same shape, yet different sizes. It is about the size as this little screw that is also an octagon. So, now, mine house is over there, so I must go back inside. Ah, yes, here we are, back inside again. It is really good. But, with that being said, thank you so much for listening to Dr. Frederick Messerstein. Brain fart, his example of, similar figures.
Okay, but in all seriousness, that was really fun to make, and hopefully they got a few laughs out of you. Toodaloo!